Hi guys, I'm here with Jessica Alba, founder of Honest Company.
Hello.
How are you, Jessica?
I'm good.
We're so excited to talk to you a little bit about Honest Company and your products. But first I have to ask, how has your parenting changed from your first child to your third child?
I was really concerned with my first child about her reaching every milestone, and I was really almost meticulously unpacking every single thing that she did. Also, I was really concerned about what she was exposed to, what was in the environment. I didn't know what products to even have around the house or for her. I was making my own products.
Right.
So my house smelled like salad dressing, and my husband wasn't that thrilled with it. And what's nice with my third is I have this company where I can sort of trust that everything is great. So it allows me to have the free time to play more and be with them and be present with them in a different way.
Yeah, and worry less.
Yeah, worry a lot less.
So speaking of products, you all are launching a new line, your eczema line.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about it and what made you want to launch this kind of product next.
I think there just weren't a lot of options out there that didn't include lots of petroleum-based ingredients and steroids. And so we have this groundbreaking formula. It's awesome. It works so nicely. We are sort of tackling it in a way where we are addressing the very cause of the eczema versus just putting a Band-Aid on top, which is what a lot of the other products do.
Right, so you're getting to the root of it.
Right.
We tried it, it's awesome. It is awesome. Okay, I'm also obsessed with, all of us at the Bump are obsessed with your diapers and wipes. Your wipes are like the MVP of all wipes. They win our Best of Baby Awards every year.
Awesome.
Tell me what went into creating this diaper that was different from all the other diapers in the market.
I think in a blind test, and we've had many people in the office do blind tests, our diapers, hands down, are the softest against your baby's delicate little tushies. But then also we have more natural ingredients in the build of our diaper than what's mostly available out there. But then still at a price point that's competitive and fair.
Absolutely.
And then the designs. I mean, there's nothing like the
They
designs.
are the best
They're
part.
so cute.
So cute, and I love how you release new ones every season too. We look forward to them. Well, so you were talking about a blind challenge. I have a blind challenge for you. If it's okay, we're gonna blindfold you and let you change our baby's diaper.
Oh.
How does that sound?
I mean,
All right, so we
great.
have this sort of creepy baby, and he needs a diaper change. And I've got diapers for you and wipes, and we're gonna time you.
Oh, so I have to do the wipe and everything?
Everything. I'm not gonna make you do baby
goodness.
cream, the bum cream. You just have to do the wipe and the diaper.
I mean, I for sure have changed a baby in the dark.
Sure.
This is
Between three
similar.
kids? Yes.
This is similar. Okay.
We'll let you get your bearings before we set the timer to make it official.
All right. So I have to do the onesie and everything.
The onesie and everything. Should we open the onesie for her? Should we open the onesie for you? No, she wants a challenge. All right, all right.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Do you see your
wait.
wipes?
Wait, where's it?
There's your
Okay.
diaper.
All right.
Okay, ready? Go.
Very stressful. I usually don't change a diaper with many people watching me either.
I know. Well, you know,
You know.
just pretend we're not here.
I'm
You
assuming
can't
the
see it.
baby isn't wiggling.
No, the baby is totally safe, seatbelted in on the changing table, so no injury, no risk of injury.
Okay. Because, gotta be prepared. Get that scoop in case there's
Any
something
extra?
in there. And then wipe. The wipe. Okay. And then
I'm very into this technique too. We do this as well. The under diaper to catch anything, keep your changing
every
surface
time.
clean.
And also, you don't want your baby's bum to touch any kind of surface, right?
Exactly. Got to keep it clean.
Okay, do I have to do up the onesie and everything?
Maybe not. We'll let you just clip the diaper. Okay, we'll time it.
Okay. All right. Is that it?
Okay. Yes. All right.
Okay.
You did it.
I did, but how long did it take?
How long did it take? 55 seconds. So under a minute.
Very stressful.
It was stressful. All right. So now I'm going to bring up your challenger. Cool Mom co-founder, Lizzy. How are you? Are you ready?
It needs to be
she needs to
snapped.
start. Exactly. We got to keep it fair.
And I feel like it was.
I think
Really?
you've got
You're tightening it? Wow, okay.
She's making it a challenge.
Over the
Okay, so she's getting ready. Blindfolds on. Got our stopwatch ready.
Hold on, let me feel where.
Got your
everything is.
supplies.
Good. Yep.
Okay.
Now we're gonna assume that there is a changing pattern with my baby.
Okay.
Even if there is a changing
diaper
pad, I
technique.
still do it.
There we go, there we go. Okay. Okay, let's put this. Oh no, let's wipe it. Got the wipes out.
That's a very thorough wipe. Well done.
I mean, you just gave it a child
Yeah,
bath.
what is that? What's the word?
Autonomically correct.
Yes, got it. Yes, baby here, okay? Which is, okay, we're used to this, Jess. Hold on. OMG. Okay. My hands, they're shaking.
It's a lot of pressure.
This is pressure. Oh my God.
I told you, it's really hard.
It's kind of difficult. This is not that dark. Oh my goodness, this is like brutal. Okay.
All right, good. Ooh, you edged
Really
out
rude.
49 seconds.
Really rude.
Awesome.
Challenge. Good challenge.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much, guys. Make sure you check out the new products by The Honest Company, the eczema line. You have to try it. It's amazing. We'll see you soon.